Today I'm going to show you how to do the KFB, better known as the knit front and back stitch. It is a 1 stitch increase. So normally when you knit a stitch, you would merely go in, wrap your yarn around and drop the stitch off the left hand needle. But because we're going to increase 1 stitch, we're going to knit into the front and the back loop of the same stitch. So we're going to go in, wrap your yarn around, pull it through, but we're not going to drop the left stitch off the needle. Then you're going to swing your right hand needle around, put it into the back loop of that same stitch, wrap the yarn around, pull it through, and now we can drop it off the needle. So you can see we actually created an additional stitch. Let me show you one more time. We're going to knit, wrap your yarn around, pull it through, do not drop it off the needle, swing the right hand needle around, put it into the back loop of that same stitch, wrap the yarn around again, pull it through and drop it off the needle. And that is how you do the KFB stitch.